Tim, our tile man, has gotten a great start on installing the stone on the floor of our master bathroom. And before he runs us out of here, let me show you some of the materials he's using. First of all, for the floor is a 1/2 inch thick, 18 by 18 inch travertine stone. Boy, this is real popular these days and has kind of a variation in color from dark to light, so you can have a little fun with that when you're installing it on any area of a bathroom. Now, to change it up a little bit, when we get over to the shower, we'll be using this material on the floor of the shower, and if you had to put all these little individual pieces in, it would take forever. But since it's on a mat like this, it goes a lot quicker, but this stuff is fairly expensive, so when you use this for, say, a shower, or use this a lot for backsplashes in kitchens, it will run up the cost a little bit. Now, to break it up a little bit on the shower, once that's used on the pan itself, then we'll go up about halfway using the travertine, but instead of using full pieces, Tim will be cutting it right in half for a 9 by 18 size. Now that'll go up halfway, then we'll have this little pencil rail right on top of that. Almost acts like a little chair rail that you may have in your dining room. Then above that, we'll go back to the finger cushion tile to finish out the bathroom. Now we'll also use the finger cushion tile around the backsplash. As you see here, he's completed most of that, and what will really look cool is this. You can see he's gotten a start here. This will continue all the way around the archway, and really he has a challenge here to wrap the tile back up against this and terminate right at this point. Well, he has a lot of work to do in here, and he's trying something just a little bit different in the guest bathroom. Here we're using a porcelain tile in a modular fashion, which is a variety of different sizes all working together. Now the sizes we're using here, 8 by 8, 16 by 24, and 16 by 16. Really does add a lot of interest to a floor like this. Now you can tell that the ceramic is playing a big part in the overall look of both of these bathrooms, and Tim, our tile man, is going to make it look great. Installing any tile on a diagonal requires more cutting than usual, and that takes more time. But it's especially important to consider that factor when you're dealing with travertine, because this stuff can't be scored and snapped on a simple tile cutter. It has to be cut on a wet saw. That means more trips outside. Another thing that's different about travertine is that the grout lines are almost non-existent compared to the same size tile in another material, so each bag of grout goes a little further.